Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I ordered stuff from amazon.co.uk here that I want us to unbox. We're going to take this stuff out and see what is inside. So this is what we have here. We got this soundbar. This is ULTIMEA Apollo X60 Dolby Atmos Dolby Vision 4.1 immersive sound, 4.1 immersive clang, Bluetooth connection, HDMI and 4K HDR. What I want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. ULTIMEA bass technology, split fit unit to beat. So let's check this stuff out. It's 4.1 channel soundbar Dolby Atmos. What is in here? This is the manual, and this soundbar is detachable. I like the recycled plastic packaging. There we go, brilliant stuff. And see what it looks like. This is the part of the sound bar. It's detachable. This is the second part. Brilliant. This is a brilliant stuff. You can see what it looks like. ULTIMEA. In front of it, it's metal grill. Then the back is plastic. So the way this goes is just, you need to go inside here. You need to go in. There we go. So once you put it inside, you need to put it inside together. Then twist it. So this is very beautiful because it's detachable, so you can position it as you like. This is the subwoofer here. Let's see what the subwoofer look like. Nice. There's a black clothing here. The rest is wood. Apollo X60 S50. This is HDMI cable, remote control, and the cables. Optical cable included, and the power cable. ULTIMEA 4.1 channel Dolby Atmos soundbar for smart TV, 2-in-1 Bluetooth 5.3 soundbar for TV with subwoofer, 280 watts peak power, 3 equalizer mode, TV soundbar, bass boost, HDMI EAC, Apollo S60 detachable series. This soundbar will elevate TV sound with Dolby Atmos, versatile and saving space, wired subwoofer with enhanced bass, personalized sound experience, upgrade integrated SDP chip, seamless connectivity. Apollo S60 soundbar for TV has wired and wireless dual connection option, including HDMI, optical, auxiliary, USB port. All cables included. Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensure fast connection speed, lossless audio transmission, and accessories included. You got 2 bays for you to stand the soundbar. Remote control included. HDMI cable, optical cable, stereo RC 3.5mm audio cable. You also have 4-pin cable for soundbar connection. 4-pin cable for soundbar connection. Screws, the power cable, and the 2 soundbar, detachable one and subwoofer. These are the stuff that's included in the packaging. You also have wall brackets. So this stuff needs to be 11 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now from this soundbar, you can switch this on and off. Input for you to, this button here is input for you to select HDMI, optical. This plus is for you to increase the volume, minus is for you to decrease the volume. You can switch this on from here and control it, but remote control is included. But you need to put your own battery. Battery is not included in the packaging. This is the remote control, and from this remote control you switch the soundbar on and off. From here you can see HDMI, EAC, HD in, optical, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and USB. All the connections here, you just need to do the connection and select the particular one. Then the center one is pause and play. Then this button here is for you to go forward, and this button here is for you to go back to the next track, forward to the next track. Plus and minus is for you to, plus is increase the volume, minus is for you to decrease the volume. Also you have 3 equalizer mode, which is have movie, game, and music. You also have bass boost. This button here is for you to mute the audio. Ports for this soundbar, so you have auxiliary port goes in here. You have optical, HDMI out, EAC, HDMI in, USB port, DC in, the power cable goes into DC in, sub out, the subwoofer cable goes in here, and this is for you to connect soundbar together. Use 4-pin cable. This is the wall mount. This wall mount cable goes in here. This is where it goes. Just need to slide it in. Yeah, this is wall mount. Other one goes in here as well. It goes into the second one. It's in. So this is the second wall mount. It's to show you how to set this soundbar up. First of all, you need to get AAA battery. It's not included in the packaging. So you need 2 AAA batteries. So you take negative to your right side, negative will be on top, the bottom one is positive. Then to the left, negative will be on the bottom, the top one will be positive. Okay, and it's in. Then you close it, just slide this up. Okay, the remote control is ready. Now this soundbar, depending on how you want to set this up, you can, it's very detachable. So if you want to set the soundbar up to be in this format, flat, then you need to slide it in from the setting clockwise front. Once you fit in the setting, then turn it to your right so that it will link up. This is if you want to leave this soundbar to be in this format, flat. Okay, so if you want it to be in flat, then you need to be in this format. But if you want to have it with the bass, then you detach it. Okay, and take the bass. This is the bass. Then you just need to take the bass and slide it in. Just need to go. So take the one part of the soundbar, then go in and twist it to your right, and this one is done. Then you take this one as well, then turn it to your right. Now this is the subwoofer here. Then this subwoofer needs to go to plug it into the sub out. Okay, now take the power cable, to DC in. Plug it onto the socket. Now this cable that need to be connected. So this cable is 4-pin cable for soundbar connection. So this goes here. So you take the cable, go into the soundbar, and it's in. So then take the other end of the cable, connect it to the other soundbar. Push it inside and it's in. So the cables, so you need to take DC in is the power cable. The center one will be subwoofer, and the third one will be connection for the two soundbar. Now, and you can see the lights here. So switch this on. It's showing us now EAC. So from the remote control, what you need to do is you need to select Bluetooth.
Searching.
Once you select Bluetooth, it will tell you searching for available Bluetooth device. Go to your phone settings. Go to connections, select Bluetooth, then select Bluetooth, and it will start to look for available Bluetooth device. This soundbar is Apollo X60. Select on it. Bluetooth pairing request, select pair.
Connected.
And it's connected. Going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. This soundbar deserves your attention. Go to saved music. This is beautiful.
Something in my ear. The only thing I
game. This soundbar is beautiful. Stuff I want to say is for you to make sure you connect the soundbar, okay, together, and you also need to make sure you push the cable inside, okay, properly. If you don't push the cable inside, then you will not hear the sound from this soundbar. Part of the soundbar need to have 3 cables plugged in, and this one just need to have 1 cable to connect it. You have option to select movie, game, and music, and also bass boost. Goes up to bass 2. Once you select bass, you control it from the left or right. So you select the bass button, then you control it from left or right. Then this plus is for you to increase the volume. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.